guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Wednesday and I am so excited for today's vlog because I am going to plant a garden in my backyard. I'm so excited for this. In case you guys didn't know, I love gardening. Actually, my husband and I both love gardening. When we lived in Hawaii, we did a lot of gardening just because over there it's so warm all year round. It's really easy to plant stuff. And so this year, being stuck at home, I decided, you know what? Why not plant some veggies? It can give me something to do and just look forward to every day. And so I bought a bunch of vegetables at Home Depot yesterday and I'm really excited to plant this. And so I just wanted to kind of take you guys along with me. So I bought a bunch of vegetables, I got some more basil and whatnot, and I think I'm going to try and plant everything in the ground this time. When we lived in Hawaii, we had red dirt soil that was really hard and it was hard to dig, and so we ended up putting everything in like pots and doing raised garden beds. But here, I tested the soil yesterday and it's pretty good. I just need to make sure it's like moist and everything. Moist. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I think I'm just gonna like create a little like garden bed in the ground. I got some little dividers so that the lawn and garden people don't mow over my vegetables, because I've heard that they will do that, and I will come for them if they mow over my vegetables. Bubba, are you ready to garden? Are you ready to put some vegetables in the ground? You guys will have to forgive me if I talk quiet because I get really nervous with neighbors listening. Okay, so I think this is the area that I'm going to be planting. You can see I already dug a little bit right here and the soil is pretty good. So I think I'm just going to add some more water to this area, basically dig it up, get all the weeds and grass out, and then just mix it with some potting soil as well. Okay, so I went ahead and pulled up majority of the roots. There's still some grass over there, but I'm going to basically shovel it up and kind of mix it up and try and break up some of the grass. But I pulled out majority of the roots. I think I'm going to go to maybe here where I dug and then just mix this whole area with potting soil. So I think what I'm going to do is dig up some of the dirt and mix it next so I can start creating a more of a garden bed. Okay, so I just finished raking all of the dirt out to make it nice and even. I'm going to use this potting soil because Dag and I used it when we lived in Hawaii and it was really nice. It helps like retain moisture but without drying out or anything like that. So I'm going to mix a little bit of this in the dirt and then we will get to planting. Okay guys, I just wanted to come inside real quick because it is really hot outside, but I wanted to show you. First of all, it feels so good to be able to just like get my hands in the dirt and kind of like get gross and dirty after sitting at home. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm just inside cooling off for a little bit, but I have my hands like shaky because I'm really tired after waking up and digging up and mixing all that dirt. It's a lot of work. Anyways, I just want to show you guys. I got these little sectioner, what are they called? They're landscaping edges because I have lawn and garden people that come and mow my yard every week just because Dagan is deployed. So I want to have a little bit of barrier so that they know that like not to mow over this area because I've heard stories about them mowing over like people's flowers and everything and like not really caring. So I just wanted to have like a little barrier so that they know like not to go in this area, and hopefully it'll be like common sense not to be mowing over there because it's gonna look like a garden. But anyways, beside the point, I got these landscaping edges. And basically, I'm pretty sure you just like snap them together like so, and then you line them up, and then I think this part like and below goes in the ground. You just like hit it with a hammer or a mallet or something, and then it sticks in the ground. So I'm just gonna basically, I guess, like make a little area of where I want the garden to be, and then we'll start putting the veggies in. These two basil plants that I think I'm gonna put right here. Probably, I don't know if I should do them like, or just side by side, because I might add some more veggies down there later that I don't have right now. Maybe I'll put one right here, and then I'll put my other one right here. Okay, I also just want to show you guys, I have, what is this one again? This one, they're like mini bell peppers, like snack size bell peppers, which I thought would be really nice to have. And then this one is a zucchini plant, and then I just got a regular size tomato plant as well. Okay, so here I have two basil plants, my bell peppers. I got the zucchini right here, and then the tomato. I might switch these two though because the zucchini gets really wide and big. At least that's how our other one did. So I might put that one over here just so it has more room, and then the tomato here since it grows more upwards. Okay, hopefully you guys can hear me. I have my AC on right now, but I just took a break from gardening so I can make some lunch. I pulled a little bit of basil from my garden. I'm gonna make some bruschetta on French bread and just hang out for a second, recharge, and then I will go and finish out my garden. You guys, I'm so excited. It's looking so cute. All right, here is my lunch. I'm gonna go sit outside, you guys, because it is so nice out. So I'm gonna start putting in the basil. This is why breaking up the dirt's so important, because when you go to start actually planting stuff, it'll just be way easier when you're trying to dig that hole. Okay, so I just want to show you guys that I dug the holes, and then once you want to like put your plant in, you want to kind of break up the roots a little bit. That helps with the whole transplanting process, and helps from like the plants like going into shock. So just break up a little bit of the bottom before you actually pot them in the ground. Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna end the vlog right here. Thank you so much for hanging out with me while I put my garden together. I am by no means a professional gardener. I don't know if I'm using the right soil, fertilizer, vegetables for Texas. I don't know. But I have fun doing it. If you guys haven't tried gardening, you should definitely give it a try because it's just like a fun process and it's something fun to do when you grow your own vegetables, whether that's, you know, vegetables, fruits, herbs and whatnot, and being able to harvest them and eat them for yourself. It's just really rewarding and I feel very proud of my veggies whenever I grow them. Anyways, I hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.